Definitely, just in few clicks, you will understand completely VLOOKUP formula. The first step, lookup value. It is the value to look up located in the left column of the table. For this reason, we select the cell where we are going to write the full name. Second step, table array. It is the range where the lookup value and return values are located. For this reason, we select all columns with the data that we want to take into consideration. And one more thing to do is to press F3 to fix the cells. Following step is to choose call index. It's the column number of the return value that we want to have. In this case, we want to evidence the departure column. And the last step is to choose between approximative or exact match. In this case, we select true. As the result, we found our requested value. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.